Hey, if y'all know this car, y'all should know where I'm at. This thing nasty. And that carbon fiber nasty too.
I need this. This shit's so beautiful.
Pop's talking about he need one. Yeah, man. This thing ready to go. So if y'all see I'm here, y'all probably wondering why I'm here. I'm gonna let y'all check out my new car in a few minutes. Been working on something for some time, but I'm finna have finally get my chance to, you know, get a tour around the shop, check out the shop. They got some nice shit up on the outside though. It's crazy. All right, y'all, we inside the Koza Performance Shop, man. Finna check out the shop. Man, they got some nice shit there, man. Camaro. I ain't gonna show y'all my car just yet. What y'all think it is, man? Matter of fact, drop in the comments right now what y'all think I'm up here putting together. Yeah, that shit look crazy. Walk through this shop. Ooh, shit. That's the split bump, ain't it? Who car? Who's on your dragster? Yeah. That's your car? Yeah? Man, that look cool, bro.
That's my dad's old car.
Really? Man, I got some cool stuff, bro.
Oh, this is Koza.
This is Mr. Koza. Let me cut the camera back on. Let me holler at Mr. Koza. What's good? It's your boy BG. Welcome back to the block. Finna go on here and show y'all my new whip. I know it's been a minute, so you know I gotta bring something new to the channel. Show y'all where I'm at. Oh yeah, you see that name, so you know it ain't no games. So what y'all think it is, man? Fuck it, I ain't gonna even make y'all wait. I'm gonna turn it around, man. Here we go, right here. Y'all meet Vegeta. That's what I've been working on, man. Y'all better be on the lookout for it. Make this bitch go Super Saiyan, do something crazy. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek at the bottom of it too. Shouldn't be showing y'all all this, but I don't even care, man. Check me out, man. Nasty. So yeah, in a minute, I'm gonna get the key and I'm gonna show y'all the insides, but until then, I'm gonna go back in the shop and see what else they got going on, man. They got a lot of nice shit up in here. Some power for sure.
No, I just came to meet up with you guys.
These the insides, man. It's a real street car too.
Oh, he talking. Compared to what we ever had.
We finna go crazy. Y'all better watch out for Vegeta, boy. Finna be getting on y'all ass, boy.
Just so